everyone, this is Kavita here. Welcome to Pratha. Welcome to our Kanjivaram festival, and this is video number 7 of our Kanjivaram fest. I'm showing you very beautiful handloom Kanjivaram sarees. Each and every saree is beautiful. Each and every combination is different. Butta is different. I hope you've seen our previous videos till now, and there are many more to go. So yes, this is the first one, light Bandakar. A nice ink blue color, a very beautiful ink blue color with copper zari. I'm just going to show you the stunning butta, a very beautiful butta. Okay, this is how the borders will look together. Okay, and so copper zari is very interesting because you can wear diamond jewelry with it, you can wear gold jewelry with it, you can wear pearls with it. Everything goes very well with copper zari. And yeah, this is the grand pallu. It comes with the same colored blouse. This is the pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a beautiful pastel green, a stunning saree, and this particular saree has silver zari. That silver zari makes the color even more soothing and pastel. A very beautiful saree. So yes, this is it. A very light pastel green. And just look at the butta. It's a beautiful peacock with a veena, I think. I'm not sure what it is. No, it's two different musical instruments, I think. Beautiful motif. A very stunning piece, this saree. You can choose to wear a contrast blouse with this. Maybe something like this, a darker shade of green will also look nice. Or you can wear a wine colored blouse, maroon colored blouse, or you can just choose to wear the same colored blouse and be monotone. So yes, this is the grand pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. I'll just fold it nicely. Some sarees might look a little stiff, but they are freshly out of the looms, and that's why they have a little bit of starch element in them. So don't worry, they are not defects. Now this is the next one. A gorgeous mustard yellow. This shade of yellow has something in it. It looks so beautiful, especially with red and maroon. So a very festive saree, a very wedding vibe wali saree. So yes, this is the beautiful motif butta on it. Every butta is so intricately woven. Just look at this, right? And it has a nice contrast border, a very festive border, even if it's not too thick. Okay, and just look at this pallu. Such a grand and beautiful saree. The price range of these sarees is 14,500 to 16,000. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. This is the blouse. Let's move to the next one. The next is a beautiful Kanjivaram, traditional Kanjivaram. Now remember, this particular saree, the price would be slightly lesser. Yeah, 14,500. Yeah. So yes, this is a parrot green with a beautiful peach. Okay, these sarees have some self texture in them. Okay, so this is there is some use of motor and machines in making this particular saree. The others that I have been showing you are pure handloom, but when you see closely in it butta, there is a little bit of use of machine which makes the saree weaving a little faster. Okay, so yes, this is the combination. A beautiful parrot green with bright orangish peach, and it has a contrast blouse. So if you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a beautiful pink, a light pink, stunning piece, and that with this copper zari looks exceptional. I'll just come close and show you the butta. Again, a peacock sitting on a jhumka is what I call this. A very pretty one. A beautiful light pink, light fresh shade of pink. I wouldn't call this peach. It's a pink shade of pink. A beautiful pallu, stunning pallu. This is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is again a single colored white, a very beautiful one, but this is especially special because of this butta. Again, a very beautiful peacock with jhumka. Very beautiful saree. this. It comes with a copper zari border. Beautiful shade of off-white, pearl white. This is it. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, let's move to the last saree of this video. The last one is a very interesting color. This is a grayish blue color. Yeah, okay, it's a sky blue mixed with grey. A beautiful, beautiful pastel shade. Just look at this. It has a stunning traditional round butta. I'm just going to show you the butta. Yeah, this is it. And just look at this combination. Now this is such a unique combination. It's this light greyish sky blue color with a beautiful firozi blue pallu. A very, very interesting combination, very different. You wouldn't imagine this combination. Asa manat yenar nahi asa combination ahe. A very, very pretty saree. Imagine it with this particular contrast blouse. It will look very beautiful. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, so yes, this was video number 7 of our Kanjivaram series. Stay tuned, we are coming up with many more videos. Thank you.